Alright, so I'm going to show how to fix APIM module for the Ford Lincoln vehicles with the black screen. Nothing here responds, no sounds. This one failed to do a software update, the sync version, not the firmware update on it, so it's very easy to replace the motherboard. So I already went on and took this apart. Got a bunch of little Phillips head screws. Now this board here, this is what holds the firmware of the vehicle, not the as-built, the as-built data and the firmware of the software for it. Now this one here holds a sync firmware. So if you were to do a software update, trying to update your sync system to, let's say, 3.0, 3.4, and it fails, this is the part that you need. Now, probably should have said earlier, I have verified that this board's good. When I plug it in, hook up my scan tool to it, I am communicating to the APIM. So that means the APIM's still good. I just had the black screen. So that just means the sync failed and bricked the circuit board. So I got me a new one here. Now what you can do, what I would do at least, take your old one apart, match up that part number there with the one that's on yours, because they have 3 or 4 different kind, 8, 32, or 64 gigabytes, and if it's with nav or without navigation. Alright, so I switched it on to the new one. I'm going to go and push that on here. There's a little push here there. Just push right into it and you'll hear it click. Then go ahead and put your cover back on. Alright, so I got it all put back together, plugged in. Let's see if it works. Okay, well, we got backlighting. Oh, there we go. And there we have it.
"911 assist is not operational. Please visit your dealer for service."
So everything seems to be working. So that's how you fix a sync through APIM with the black screen. So hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.